Tell him these two things, and without chasing, without begging, he will love you like crazy. Slow, calm, confident. Let me tell you something most people never understand about men. A man's heart is not captured by tears. It's not captured by explanations. And it's definitely not captured by chasing. A man falls deeply, almost obsessively, when his ego is gently wounded, not by insults, but by self-respect he cannot control. And today, I'm going to tell you two sentences. Just two. Say them with calm energy. Say them without anger. Say them without fear. And if he has even a little emotional attachment to you, these words will stay in his head long after you walk away. First, understand this truth about his ego. A man's ego is not about pride. It is about significance. He needs to feel chosen, respected, irreplaceable. But here's the secret no one tells you. The fastest way to destroy attraction is to make him feel too needed. The fastest way to create obsession is to make him feel optional. Men do not chase what begs. Men chase what chooses itself first. Now listen carefully. The first thing you must tell him. Say this calmly, not emotionally. I don't need you to choose me. I just notice when someone doesn't. Pause. Do not explain. Do not justify. Do not add another sentence. Let that land. Why this hurts his ego in a powerful way? Because this sentence does three dangerous things to his mind. It removes pressure you are not asking. You are not demanding. You are not chasing. It places the decision back on him. He realizes, wait, she's not waiting. She's observing. It activates fear of loss, not loud fear. Silent fear. The worst kind. You are saying, I see your behavior clearly, and I respect myself enough to respond, not react. This makes him uncomfortable in a good way, because now he has to earn, not assume, what he feels even if he doesn't say it. Why isn't she fighting? Why isn't she afraid to lose me? Does she already have emotional control? His ego doesn't feel attacked, feels challenged, and men love challenges they might lose. Now, the second thing, this one goes deeper. This sentence is not said immediately. You say it after silence, after space, after he notices the change, when he reaches out, when he asks what's wrong, when he senses distance. Then you say, I care about you, but I won't compete with uncertainty. And again, stop talking. Why this sentence shakes him? Because uncertainty is where many men hide. Mixed signals, half effort. I don't know what I want. Emotional availability only when convenient. This sentence exposes that without attacking him. You're not saying, you're confusing. You're saying, I value clarity. You're not saying, you're not enough. You're saying, I deserve consistency. That hits his ego harder than anger ever could. Here's the psychology behind it. Men bond deeply when they feel respected. They feel chosen. They feel they might lose access, not when they feel controlled. By saying this, you silently communicate, I have standards, I have options, and I will walk away peacefully. Peaceful confidence is terrifying to an unprepared ego. What not to do, very important. If you want this to work, never say it while crying. Say it during a fight. Say it repeatedly. Say it with sarcasm. Say it to manipulate a good man. Say it once. Then let your actions support your words. Distance. Calm. Focus on yourself. That silence will do more than 1,000 messages. What happens next most of the time? If he truly cares, he will become more attentive. He will initiate more. He will seek reassurance. He will try to reestablish control by committing. If he doesn't, then you didn't lose him. You avoided losing yourself. And that is power. A final truth you need to hear. The goal is not to hurt a man. The goal is to stop abandoning yourself to keep him comfortable. The right man will not feel threatened by your self-respect. He will feel drawn to it, because confidence whispers, neediness screams, and men always turn their heads toward the whisper. Remember this line, burn it into your heart. The moment you stop proving your worth is the moment they start fearing your absence. Say less, mean more, walk slowly, and watch what changes. Welcome to Psychology Fact. If you're curious about the hidden truths of the mind and heart, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a fact that could change the way you see life.